welcome to Hi Channel. Today, we slow down the pace of travel and step back in time, right into the heart of Morón, Cuba, where the rhythm of the city still moves to the gentle clip-clop of horse hooves. Instead of buses or taxis, we climb aboard a traditional horse carriage, an open-top cart, accompanied by the warm Caribbean breeze. As the reins tighten and the wheels begin to roll, the city unfolds at an unhurried, old-world speed, the kind of pace that lets you truly see and feel everything around you. The sound of hooves tapping against the pavement echoes through the streets. Colorful colonial buildings pass by one, their paint faded but full of character. Neighbors chat from doorways, children wave as we ride past, and the scent of fresh bread and Cuban coffee drifts through the air. Life here feels authentic, untouched, and beautifully everyday. From the carriage seat, Morón reveals its charm: lively local markets, classic vintage cars parked along narrow roads, bicycles cruising by, and the green trees surrounding Parque José Martí, the social heart of the city. Every turn feels like a small story, every street a glimpse into Cuba's rich culture and slower way of living. This isn't just transportation, it's a journey back in time. So sit back, relax, and ride along with us as we explore Morón the traditional way, guided by the steady rhythm of a horse carriage and the warm spirit of Cuba.